Fortunately, ladies and gentlemen, I do not have my charger for this camera or anything other gadgets, so this has a very limited battery life. So I'll get what I can in the forest or woods, whatever.
This is forest, not woods.
They're not one and the same thing, right?
Nope. Woods is the name of an area, like a field that has gone back to trees, and it is now used as a wood lot. That's where the name came from. It was used as a wood lot for firewood or with trees.
I see.
Intent of cutting them down.
Stupidly, I thought they were one in the same thing. I thought they were synonyms for one or the other.
Well, we grew up with that. Yeah. That's the way they're used in New England, because all of the trees were cut down in New England.
Yeah. Based on the mishap with Jones car towing in illegal parking, I couldn't charge this camera up. So what you get what you get, and you don't get upset, I suppose.
C'est la vie.
I'll just try to get the best I can to see what shots I get that you don't normally get in New England.
It's a wrap.
All right.
First, we have to get gas.
Let's start the day. Ladies and gentlemen, was caused by a forest fire. Sometime a few years ago or something like that.
But I'm an old guy.
No shit. Lock?
Fucking rednecks. Take your shit off. Yeah, we gotta cross that. Oh fuck, we have to cross that shit. I don't want to get my camera wet. Not sure how we're gonna cross this.
record size of the road.
Wow, I didn't know this used to be a road of what we're walking on right now.
You feel how hard the ground is compared to where we were walking?
I absolutely do. It's nature's cool.
Oh, check that.
Wow.
Oh, the giant trees in the background.
Yeah.
See, there's no teeth marks in here. It's nice and flat. So somebody's trying to maintain a path to walk through here. Do you like yellow jackets?
Do you have any kidney pie or liver?
Liver pie.
Not human, right?
The little Chianti and some fava beans.
It's a joke from 3 years ago. My viewers, the joke was that when I was at my grandpa's house back in January 2015 in Arizona, as you probably already saw the home video of it. I asked what kind of food variants there were, and he responded, kidney pie, liver, and then I gave him the WTF face, and then he bursted out laughing really hard.
Kidney pie.
It's not the kidney pie from a human being, right? You didn't specify
I didn't specify. I left it to the viewer's imagination.
what kidney pie from what kind of living being was it?
Beef kidney.
Liver is...
I think also from beef, from cattle.
Take it off. Damn.
They're like dancing.
Dancing on glass. Well, finally got stung by a goddamn yellow jacket. Now I know what it's like.
It feels awesome.
Nope.
Super awesome.
Nope.
Trebly delicious awesome.
Nope.
Better you than me awesome.
I'd rather get a tattoo. I've gotten plenty of thorns penetrating through my skin. Nothing compared to this. My first time. You fucking kidding me? Fucking imbecile.
Is a bunch of very rich peasants. moving their way up the tree, taking on the guard's tendencies. And there is a bit of that, but in fact, you don't see as much as you think. And there is a problem with Roger's basic assumption that the supply of labour becomes scarce because a third of the labour force died. But what if the number of labourers was already twice as big as it needed to be? Then you just have to return to the good. And what you clearly have in early 14th century Britain is not unemployment necessarily, but it's certainly under. I.e., you might have 2 acres of land with really only 2 agriculture. And that meant, although losing 40% of the population sucks, if you do have a population twice as large as it needs to be, it will have less to pay. Then there's that flexibility that we have in Salisbury lost her garter from dancing, and so Edward. There were lots of kings, so Edward's motto was loyally standing by the council. Well, as it happens, it was blokes that dancers in women. It does seem clear that this is a story that we have in the afterwards. Though as Ian Mortimer points out, it's relevant. He saw an opportunity to have some having French letters and get to the father's son of Mr. Barney. So what we get is this elaborate speech where Edward he's secretly concert in Calais with his son, the Prince of Wales. He's 19 now, and he takes them jumping. These guys included, as it happens, the chairman of George Mortimer. Remember the name of the tyrant, Ray, his descendant, working hard to bring the family of the party. Hey, you're doing it wrong. Into the fire! Into the fire!
Impressive. Our limbs intact.
So Declan, super fun watching you today.
I suck.
Sorry, what did we talk about before? What did we talk about?
making a martyr out of Alex Jones.
He's not a martyr.
He shouldn't be a martyr of free speech. He is an inhumane piece of shit. He is in clickbait. He's clickbait. The king of the clickbait, nonetheless. There's nothing literally appealing about this sickness-inducing piece of shit.
No, there's not.
He is literally everything I hate about one single
Ice cream, vegan, soft serve.
And I did my best earlier. Not my best. I didn't do my best. But I wanted to.
Have you tried his vegan soft serve yet?
vegan saucer.
Did you start
Soft
the beer?
serve. It's like ice cream.
Not sure.
Test beer.
But you money to who?
The music house.
He deserves to go out of business too. Alex Jones.
I'm not sure he did the Tracy Chapman. That was awesome.
I'm not sure he deserves to go out of business. I certainly think he's a following.
No, it's texting. Shortcut. That's the point of texting. Is that Glenn Campbell? Good morning.
On our way. Ron, you're at MK's.
I had mine on the plane.
On our way. Ron, you're at MK's.
My stepmother was a huge Glenn Campbell fan.
Her message sounds like Ron, you're all set. Do you have an IPH1? Sounds like Ron, you're all set. Do you have an I1?
What's the problem?
No.
Dude, it's texting. Get over it.
So you guys, have you done chicken coop yet? Have you done the chicken coop?
Well, Joan got her car back, and I got my string bag back. And Hayden presumably got her sweater back. It all works out.